Guys, Alto's channel here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable full screen on your YouTube when you're watching a video and YouTube is not enable your full screen. Is very short. How do you enable your full screen? So let's get started. Now you're going to open your YouTube. Open your YouTube. Now this is what you're going to do. I'm going to watch a video now, and this is my YouTube. Okay, you can see. Okay, now I'm going to watch this.
You might be missing a lot of views because you are not uploading your videos the right way. I figured out how you can be able to increase your views by just uploading your videos the right way, and this is me being transparent because I want you to get the same results as I have been getting lately. One thing with YouTube is that it is filled with a lot of tricks, tags, and all of that, okay? So you have to jump on any trending one so you can be able to use the opportunity and make the most out of your channel. I'm going to share with you how you can be able to upload your video the right way so you can increase your views by 100%. So this thing I'm about to tell you now, you have to do it before you upload your videos on YouTube. Even if you don't have a
you can see if you want to forward it, just tap on it like this to forward it, and if you want to backward, just tap on it and you have backward it. So guys, and if you want to return back
on the title of your video, so all you'll be doing is that you will go to your phone. Okay, your phone can actually do this. I'm going to show you on the screen now. You go to your phone. I currently use my phone to film and edit everything, so after saving your video on your phone, you go to that gallery. Okay, when you reach your gallery, you just click on it and edit it. There is how you